Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to join two cells together. In Excel, we have multiple functions to join multiple cells and we can have the result in one cell. Let's see over here, how does it work? Equal to concatenate. We have the function called concatenate and we can select this, comma, we can give some space, comma, we can give this. Now you see that we can drag this, the output is coming. But you can see we are getting space also simultaneously. The source data, we got some space, but here, how to trim that space? We have the function called trim. Trim function can remove all the spaces, all the unnecessary space from the cells. But remember that trim only deals with, let me type here, trim only deals with space bar space. Always remember, non-breaking space, trim function can't handle. So this is executed by using concatenate and trim function. How we can do that with other alternative functions? We can use this and ampersand, give some space, ampersand, and this. You can see the same result, but again it requires trim function, which you can use by keeping both variables or range reference into the trim function. Look at this, we have removed all the unnecessary space. I hope guys you found this useful. Thank you so much.